Kickstart your tech career with web development certifications.
Entering the world of web development can be overwhelming, but the right certification can make all the difference. Certifications not only validate your skills, but also help you stand out to employers. Let's explore the most recognized entry-level web development certifications that can jumpstart your career in 2024.
freeCodeCamp Responsive Web Design Certification.
freeCodeCamp offers a free responsive web design certification ideal for beginners. It covers HTML, CSS, and web accessibility through hands-on projects and coding challenges. This certification is widely respected for its practical, project-based approach and is a great way to demonstrate your foundational web development skills to potential employers.
Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate.
The Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate, available on Coursera, provides a comprehensive introduction to web development. Focusing on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, it is tailored for those starting out. The certificate is backed by Meta and includes portfolio-building projects, making it a strong choice for anyone seeking a structured learning path.
Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate.
While not exclusively web-focused, the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate covers core programming and web technologies valuable for web developers. It introduces Python scripting, Git, and web application basics. Completing this certificate provides a well-rounded technical foundation, especially helpful for automating web-related tasks.
W3C Front-End Web Developer Professional Certificate.
Offered by the World Wide Web Consortium on edX, the W3C Front-End Web Developer Professional Certificate teaches essential web technologies like HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. Developed by the organization that sets web standards, this certification is highly regarded and suitable for anyone wanting a recognized credential in front-end web development.
Choosing the right certification for you.
When selecting a certification, consider factors such as your learning style, career goals, and budget. Look for programs with hands-on projects and industry recognition. Remember, earning a certification is just the first step. Continuous learning and building your own web projects will help you grow and succeed in your tech career.